Let's get some free movies on our Fire Stick tonight, guys. First things first, you're going to need to download a program called Downloader. Just go into your search function, type in Downloader. It'll come up super quick. A free application available on the Fire TV Stick. If you don't own it, get it, download it, install it, throw it in the queue, quickly install it onto your Fire TV Stick. As easy as that. Once it's installed, we don't want to open it yet because we're going to need to jailbreak our Fire TV Stick. So just go over down to the little settings cogwheel, come down to My Fire TV, and then if you do not have developer options, click on About under Fire Stick. Click the select button like 7 times. As you can see, it says no need. I'm already a developer, and you are now too. Go back out, turn on developer options, turn on ADB debugging, install unknown apps, turn on downloader, and go back home. I strongly recommend getting a VPN, as some of these applications may need the VPN in order to access it depending on where you live. Type in NordVPN. Use the link below in order to get a discount on NordVPN today. Grab it, click it, download it, just like you did Downloader. Once you open it up, sign in, and then say I'm in Canada. I'm going to say I'm in the States now, so this works real smooth. Go back home as we're connected to the States. Find Downloader over in your apps and games icon, and it should be down here, down at the bottom. Click the little hamburger button. Move Downloader to the front so that when we're back at our home screen, it'll be there up front and center for us. So we can click on Downloader, open it up. Now if you haven't opened this up already, it's going to ask you to access photos, media, and files on your device. Allow it. It's okay. It'll be fine. You can read the little quick start guide if you would like. Once we're in Downloader, within this URL, we're going to type in a quick code in order to get us to the greatest app store for the Fire TV Stick. It's 546835, and that sends us right to our website led by the unknown, and you will be able to find these great applications for you. Now there is a quick little 5-second redirect. And for this not to come up again, once we're loaded up into this page, use your hamburger button on your remote, add current page to favorites, click save. Now you have this access to this app store all the time. Guys, if you want to see more great applications, please sign up for the newsletter, and I'll show you some quick fixes that maybe I can't show you nowadays. Once we're in here, use the little pull down feature with our Fire Stick and type on, pull down to downloads, and this will get us to the downloads page where all the great applications are for you to download onto your Fire Stick. Okay guys, so here, just the quick ones here. We can try Zumo TV, free movies, TV shows, and live TV. All super easy to download. There's a lot more applications down below, so go down and check them out. Just don't stick with Zumo and Pluto. You don't want to download the ones I'm showing you. You want to download the rest. Alright, once we're on the Zumo page here, guys, just scroll down. We can also download for the Amazon devices, Android devices, or even mobile devices. So click on the Zumo TV for Android device. 16 meg file here. Download pretty quick. Click install, sorry. Once it's installed, we hit done. Try not to open up the application yet because we're going to delete the APK file. And delete the APK. Going back out of here, you need to download ESPN, Peacock TV, Pluto TV, whatever you feel like downloading. And go on down below and you'll find a lot more to download. Once we're on the home screen, head on back to your apps and games icon, and you will find Zumo Play. Remember, hit the hamburger button, move it to the front, and in the home screen, and there it is, ready for your enjoyment. I hope you like what you've seen. Please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, place a comment if you have any other applications you may want to see that can work for your Amazon device. Let me know what you think. Take care. Peace. Yo guys, welcome to the part of the show that doesn't really exist. Don't tell anybody. Let them find out for themselves. There might be a couple more videos with this type of ending. If you've never made it this far, I'm sorry. So please let me know what you think. A lot of these videos may seem redundant or repeat. I think 98% of the viewers on my channel are new. You guys don't seem to watch the same video twice, and that's fine with me. Whatever, I don't care. The more people I can show, the better. I want to help. All right? Take care. Enjoy. We'll talk to you next time.